this week we have got the most epic sax solo of all time, according to many, which is Dick Parry's incredible double baritone and then tenor solo on Shine On, You Crazy Diamond Parts 1 to 5 by Pink Floyd from the Wish You Were Here album. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, and you're watching Get Your Sax Together. Pink Floyd's Wish You Were Here was released in 1975, and Shine On You Crazy Diamond Parts 1 to 5 features the epic and soaring expressive saxophone of Dick Parry. Now, if you've ever seen the live versions, you'll see that he tucks his tenor under his right armpit, plays the first bit in baritone, whips the baritone around and quickly grabs the tenor and steams in with the tenor section as the tempo changes into the 4/4 shuffle. Is absolutely epic. It's such a great crowd pleaser. You can learn exactly how to play this solo by grabbing your free PDF. Use the link that you can see there, or click the link in the description. You just got to fill in your email. And there are 3 versions on the PDF. There's the original version, which has got the baritone notes and then the tenor notes. And there's also fully E flat and fully B flat versions. And all the versions are beautifully copied. They're works of art, and they've even got all the note names written in. So even if you don't read music, I've got you covered. It's an awesome resource. Go and grab your PDF right now. There's some pretty complicated runs in this and a few altissimo bits, so if you need to slow this down, here's how you slow down playback on YouTube. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop computer, go to the settings cogwheel and then select playback speed, and then finally select the speed that you'd like to play it back. If you're on mobile, touch the screen, go to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and then select playback speed, and again select the speed that you'd like to practice at. Okay, so once you've got the video at the tempo you want, I'm going to run it now. There'll be a full version where I play it with all the fingerings and everything. Then there'll be a backing track for you to practice with. There's an 8-bar intro, so I hope you enjoy learning this absolutely classic solo. Believe me, it's been a labor of love putting this together, so I really, really hope that you enjoy it. I've loved doing it, and I hope you love playing it. Here it is. Hey, if you love this solo, here's something you're going to love even more. Inside the Inner Circle membership, I've got a whole 40-minute video, which is the YouTube Backstage Pass video, where I explore exactly how to play every twiddle, twist and bend, short note, long note, how everything is done in this solo that I don't have time to do here in YouTube. You can go and grab your free 7-day trial for the Inner Circle membership using the link you can see there, or click the link in the description. You can even just jump in, have your 7 days, check it all out, and then leave. You got absolutely nothing to lose. And there's that awesome bonus video explaining all about this solo, so go and check out the Inner Circle. Okay, you crazy diamonds, that's all we've got for you this week. Hope you enjoyed learning Dick Parry's epic saxophone solos on Shine On You Crazy Diamond, parts 1 to 5 by Pink Floyd. As I mentioned earlier, go and grab your PDF using the link there. It's really epic, it's really beautiful, it's an absolutely incredible resource, which I've poured my heart and soul into. Also, you can go and join the Inner Circle to get that 40-minute bonus video exploring the solo in detail. Free 7-day trial. Cannot go wrong. What you got to lose? Nothing. Get in there. Do it, mate. All right. And also, if you bought me a coffee, I really appreciate it. If you think you're getting good value, you're more than welcome to say thank you with a little coffee fee using the link that you can see there. All right. Next week, saxing up your Sunday as usual. Until then, practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy, guys. PD, I'm going to cut that a bit out because it's rambling. Oh, my God. I hope you really enjoyed learning Dick Parry's epic solo. That's an outtake!